In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to set different ringtones for your SIM cards. This helps you quickly identify which number is being called, making it easier to manage personal and professional calls efficiently. To do this, simply head to your phone settings. You will want to head to Sounds and Haptics. Now select Ringtone. These are my two physical SIM cards. Head to the first line and select any preferred ringtone. Once done, get back and select the other line. Choose any ringtone and it will get added successfully. This ensures you never miss important calls on a specific SIM. It's a simple yet effective way to personalize your phone and stay organized. Well, that's how easy it is to set different ringtones for your SIM cards on iPhone. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.